Hi, I'm Yamina, and I'm a student in Kennedy Elementary School.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and I'm a fourth grader at Kennedy Elementary School.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm also a fourth grader at Kennedy Elementary.
We are joined by Mr. Rory, Starr Elementary Project Superintendent for Nexus Solutions.
Mr. Rory, we're here inside Starr Elementary. A lot of the building has made major progress. Can you tell us how far along the construction is?
The construction is about 75% along. The building is made up of 5 areas. The area that we're sitting in is Area 1, and that is for kindergarten and first grade. We're pretty much completed in Area 1, except for a few small finishing touches. Area 2 is for mostly office space, and that space is mostly complete as well. Area 3 is cafeteria, kitchen, and art room, music, and choir. Those rooms are getting finishes right now, ceilings and floors. Area 4, I believe, is for second and third grade, and that area is getting paint right now, followed by ceilings and floors. And Area 5, which I believe is fourth and fifth grade, and that area is having the drywall installed and will be followed by paint, ceilings, and floors.
What work still needs to be done before we head back to school in the fall?
May through August, we'll be working on all of the finishes on the inside of the building to make everything look the best we can. On the outside of the building, we'll be finishing up the brick veneer on the outside, the metal wall panels. We will also be working on concrete and driveways, parking lots, and some underground stormwater.
What are you most excited for students and families to see when we arrive at school next year?
One of the things that I thought is really nice about the construction of this school is the area that we're sitting in. It has really nice tall ceilings, a lot of windows, lets a lot of natural daylight in. Each one of the classroom pods has an area like this.
Mr. Rory, what has been your favorite part of working on this project?
Starr Elementary School has many very unique parts to this project. My favorite parts were seeing the construction of geothermal portion for the heating and cooling, seeing the installation of the solar panels, and seeing all of the unique building structure that was designed. Since you guys are right next door, what was your favorite part about watching the building being built?
My favorite thing is watching the entrance being built to start and seeing what I think are the classroom windows. Thank you, Rory, for providing an update on Starr Elementary, and thank you for building us this beautiful school.
You're welcome.